Is it time to buy or sell MicroAlgo stock? In this video, we will explore MicroAlgo in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 5th of May, 2025, and now we are here to offer you an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You do not want to miss any critical updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 5th of May, 2025, our system has ranked MicroAlgo as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -3.03. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to see how it unfolds in the days ahead. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of 62.22% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between 62.22% and 1,067.49%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of -26.47%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between -100% and 4,748.31% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $0 and $192.96. Our latest daily update from MicroAlgo includes the headline: Big movements in MicroAlgo Inc's stock price on Monday, moving 16.62% between high and low. The MicroAlgo Inc stock price fell by -9.13% on the last day, which was Monday, the 5th of May, 2025, dropping from $4.38 to $3.98. This marks a decline over the last 10 days in a row. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 16.62%, with a day low at $3.70 and a day high of $4.32. The price has decreased in all 10 of the last 10 days, amounting to a drop of -66.44% during this period. Volume also fell on the last day along with the stock, which is a positive indicator as trading volume should typically follow the stock's movement. On the last day, the trading volume decreased by 2 million shares, with a total of 8 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $29,960,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $509.60, while the lowest price was $1.11. Currently, the price is 99.22% or $505.62 below the 52-week high. It is also 99.97% or $14,296.02 below the all-time high reached on the 13th of December, 2022, when the price soared to $14,300. MicroAlgo Inc. has made significant strides recently, which could positively influence its stock price in both the short and long term. On the 2nd of May, the company unveiled a classifier auto-optimization technology based on variational quantum algorithms aimed at enhancing computational efficiency in machine learning, a rapidly growing sector likely to attract investor interest. Prior to this, on the 1st of May, the development of a quantum edge detection algorithm showcased MicroAlgo's potential to disrupt real-time image processing markets, reducing computational complexity while maintaining accuracy. Financially, the company reported a substantial shift to profitability for the year 2024, with revenues of approximately $75,300,000 and a net income of $7,300,000, a notable turnaround from previous losses. This pivot away from less profitable segments has positioned MicroAlgo for sustained growth, potentially bolstering investor confidence. Additionally, the recent increase in YME hologram cloud stake to 67.65%, coupled with a 10-year lockup period for those shares, suggests strong institutional support, which often signals stability and long-term commitment. The release of new algorithms and a solid financial performance are critical indicators that could drive share prices up as investor sentiment becomes increasingly favorable toward MicroAlgo in the advancing quantum computing sector. Analysts have assigned MicroAlgo stock a general sell rating. They have categorized the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts also rate the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for MicroAlgo. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The MicroAlgo Inc. stock presents sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative outlook for the stock. Additionally, a general sell signal arises from the relationship between these averages, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance may occur at the levels of $5.67 and $11.31. A breakout above either of these levels would trigger buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, the 31st of March, 2025, and thus far, the stock has decreased by 83.509%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is presently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. The trading volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which lowers the overall risk as volume is expected to align with price movements. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots have shown a sell signal 25 days ago. Bollinger Bands provided a buy signal 238 days ago. The short-term moving average signaled a buy 12 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicated a buy signal 12 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 11 days ago. On examining the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average presented a sell signal 16 days ago, while long-term moving average indicated a sell signal 5 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 39 days ago. For more insights and signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for MicroAlgo. MicroAlgo Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at $3.97. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. The stock may experience significant fluctuations throughout the day, and with a notably large prediction interval indicated by the Bollinger Band, it is classified as very high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by 615 thousandths of a dollar between its high and low, which represents a change of 16.62%. In the past week, the stock has seen an average daily volatility of 21.72%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for MicroAlgo, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important ratio evaluates a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is operating at a loss. Even well-established companies can go through challenging periods, often due to uncontrollable external factors. However, persistently negative PE ratios may suggest inadequate profitability and pose risks of bankruptcy. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for MicroAlgo. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for MicroAlgo is at $4.33. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, MicroAlgo encounters its first support level at $3.97. If this support level holds, it could represent a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for MicroAlgo from multiple analyst sources is to sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock is older than 3 months. The latest trade occurred on the 30th of September, 2024, when SBI Securities Company Limited conducted an insider purchase of 0 shares. We hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and currently, there is no stop loss in place. Is MicroAlgo stock a good buy? The stock of MicroAlgo Inc. presents several negative indicators. Despite a positive trend, we anticipate that MicroAlgo Inc. will perform poorly in the coming days or weeks. Thus, we maintain a negative outlook for this stock. Given some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have revised our assessment of this stock from a hold or accumulate position to a sell candidate since our last evaluation. After examining the volatility and market movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 6th of May, we expect MicroAlgo to open higher by approximately 18 one-thousandths of a dollar, starting at $4. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.